In this video, I'm going to explain to you what you can learn with Crazy Talk Animator 3, okay? The first thing I want to tell you is that you can go whenever you have a doubt or a specific need that is not covered in this course. You can always go to their website. If you go, for example, to reallusion.com, you can go to Crazy Talk Animator, or you can go Products, and then from Products, select Crazy Talk Animator. And we are here, okay? Then you go to Learn, and then you can go to Learning Center or the tutorials, okay? Or the online manual, which has everything, all the features you can learn from this awesome software, okay? Okay, so the first thing is that when you open Crazy Talk Animator 3, you need to know this. A lot of the hard work has already been done for you, okay? So you are not starting from zero, and this is, I'm going to teach you in this course how to take advantage of that, okay? The first thing is that everything is super fast for pipeline users. I can go to the content manager and then select actor. You have a lot of actors. You have animations you can add to them, okay? You can import scenes, complete scenes, sound effects, okay? All of this took time to produce. Everything here took time. Someone designed this chair. The team in Reallusion made this chair for you, so you can use it. You open Crazy Talk Animator 3 and you're starting way ahead than if you started in another software. I will prove this to you with hard evidence in the next video, but right now I just want to teach you what you are going to learn. First, let me show you a quick example. I can have a walk cycle which takes about 30 minutes, right? Or maybe 40 minutes. I just double click here and then go to animation. I'm gonna teach you in detail how to do all of this. Right now, I just want to illustrate you how to do this very easy. I can just go to move, select walk cycle start, and then walk, double click, then walk again, double click, then walk again, double click, then end. Look, I have the animation of a character who starts walking. Look, I go to the beginning, then I hit play. Look, very, very quick. I didn't do that. Who did it? The team behind Reallusion, okay? The animators did all of this for you. So I just take it and use what they did. So everything is super simple and super fast and super easy. Now, what if you want your own animation, your own custom motions? Well, you can certainly do that. For one animation project we made, we did this custom animation, this hammering action, okay?
And painful is it to solve your own.
Now, what if I want to use that on another character? I will teach you how to do this. You can just take that and in animation, instead of templates, which these are all the things made by their Reallusion team, I can just go to custom and select motion, and I have the hammering action. Let's try it. I'm gonna create a new document, import an actor, any actor. How about this girl right here? And then I go to animation and start the hammering action. There you go. Now she's hammering. That's one hammering. I can double click again, and that's another one. You see? And then double click again. All I'm doing is double clicking. Let me go to the start and hit play. Very, very simple, you see? So you can create your own animations, and I can apply that to any other character. You see? Very, very simple. So just think about the possibilities for your animated series. You have actions that you can use again and again with just double click. In any other software, you would have to open the last project, copy the keyframes, and try to paste them on your character, right? and that will be a lot of hassle, and you would have to rearrange some keyframes, and you'll know if you have some experience. You know this is not that simple. And in here, you just double click. You don't have to mess with anything. Everything is super fast. Think about that. Now, the other super cool thing is that you can design characters in Photoshop, okay? You can design them and then just have those points in place, and you have your character rigged. And now it can be used to perform any action I want. Very, very easy. And for facial animation, it's also super easy. You can make him happy, okay? Or you can make him angry, okay? Or any other emotion. Very, very quick. Now, if I want, I can just record. For example, I have a little walk cycle here. Very, very easy. Super, super simple. And what if I want to animate the face and make him very, very happy? Well, I can do that very, very quickly. In other software, I will have to animate the eyebrows, the mouths, right? But in here, I can just select happiness and then record, hit space, and move the mouse. Look, he's very happy, and oh my god, I can't believe this is amazing, right? Very, very easy, and now I have this animation. Let me hit play. Now he's happy, you see? He's very, very excited. You can apply this to your custom characters, or you can have your own images and then set them up with the morph editor. You see, you just add the points and put them in place, and then you are ready to animate the face. Very, very easy, you see? Just moving the mouse from one side to another, and that's it. Very easy. So I'm going to teach you how to use all of this. Take advantage of all the hard work that already has been done for you, so you can create your animated series. In this course, I'm going to give you everything you need, and by the end of it, you will know how to do your own animated series, okay? Now, in the next lesson, I'm gonna show you hard evidence that this software, I believe, it's the best animation software for YouTubers who want to create animated series and want to create each episode like 4 times faster, okay? I will explain